It's hard to give an elevator pitch for Multiplay because we're kind of 4 businesses under one roof. So you've got the event side of our business, which is things like the Insomnia Gaming Festival, huge consumer gaming festival, but there's also the events we do for other people. So Minecon, the official convention for Minecraft, we're behind that. On the digital services side, worldwide hosting of video games, everything from Battlefield to Minecraft to voice communication services, that's us, but also the big enterprise deliveries where you wouldn't even know it was us. Sort of sitting behind some big game launches like Rust, DayZ, Starbound, more recently Dirty Bomb for Nexon. So there's a lot of big deployments that we do on the enterprise hosting side too.
We did a show at Insomnia and we met the Multiplay guys there, and what we found was that Multiplay could offer us dedicated hardware at a lower cost to us, and hardware and services that were dedicated to gaming with experience having run gaming infrastructure, whereas previously we were operating on quite generic virtual server infrastructure.
Well, indies are very important. The games like Minecraft was an indie game, things like Rust, DayZ, Starbound, all indie titles bringing in, well, in the case of Minecraft, billions of dollars when they got sold. So these guys can often be 2 people in a bedroom who've got a great idea for a game and want to build it. So what we come to them with is say, you don't really want to worry about your hosting, let us take care of that, let's look after your forums, your website, all the stuff you need to get off the ground.
Our server costs went to 1/3 of the costs that they were with virtual hosting. Particularly with a game like ours, bandwidth costs were quite high with virtual hosting in the cloud, and Multiplay incorporate the bandwidth cost as part of the service, and that was a really important thing for us in terms of managing the cost.
The relationship with FreeJam is that we would take our core hosting services of someone like Iomart and RapidSwitch. Then we have our added value layer that we put on top of that, which is our CloudForge piece of software. And what CloudForge does is it works a bit like VMware just for the games industry, distributing game servers, managing the infrastructure and making it very, very low touch for the end customer. And that's really, really beneficial for someone like FreeJam or any other game developer that's out there.
Robocraft has become quite large since going on Steam. That really saw a huge surge of users for us. In the space of less than a year, we've now grown to more than 5 million registered users. Currently have about 1 million active users a month. What we really need from a company like Multiplay is not to think about Multiplay. We don't want to think about the servers, we just want them to work. We want to worry about the game and making the game better. And as long as our users aren't complaining about issues that relate to server technology, we're happy.
RapidSwitch provide us a whole suite of services, most notably the servers, and the servers quickly, because when there's a surge in demand of a particular game, we want to be able to go, guys, we need stuff now. And so they're firing off orders for servers because we're dealing with a rapid escalation, say with Battlefield, or a new Minecraft patch comes out. We need to be able to respond quickly to consumer demand. Gamers do not want to wait, so we need to be able to react quickly.
When we go to a big developer or a AAA publisher, they say, how high can you jump? And we say, how high do you want?
But it's been a massive problem in the industry. Some big failures, both in terms of under-provisioning, massively under-provisioning, and then taking weeks to solve it, millions of pounds worth of damage because you've lost your customer base. And the other side of it is massively over-provisioning. So where we're working with Iomart is, what does it mean to take that guesswork out of the equation? People need that flexibility to know that we've got it. If all the customers want to play now, we can handle it. We thought we were growing fast before, sort of 45% year-on-year growth. Now with the huge investment we're having put into us by game, I mean, you could be seeing us growing much faster than that. Worldwide expansion of territories you've not seen us in before, doing bigger, ever bigger deals. We've got no cap on our ambition. It's going to be, we want to basically be one of the biggest games hosts worldwide and also one of the biggest games events companies worldwide.